Hey, hello, you wonderful and free spirit. My name is Anton Benning, and let me kick off with the reminder that we've got one life, just one. So, why aren't we running like we are on fire towards our wildest goals and dreams? Well, welcome to my channel. And on this channel, I try to dissect why it is that we're not running like we are on fire towards our wildest goals and dreams. And I think it is because most of us don't believe that we've got what it takes to achieve our goals and live our dreams. But in essence, our spiritual perfection is perfect and it's got infinite potential. So all of us have that infinite potential to do anything that we set our minds to do. So let us set out to achieve our goals and live our dreams. Just like I did almost a decade ago when I shifted my life because of falling in love to a beautiful lady on the other side of the world and having to distance 12,000 kilometers, realizing that the conventional way, doing what most people believe, and I believed back then, that which we're supposed to be doing, wasn't going to cut it, wasn't going to give us the lifestyle that we wanted, having families on two sides of the world and having the freedom to be on both sides of the world. And throughout this journey of personal discovery and development, I've come to realize we truly have that infinite potential. You, I, and all of us can live our dreams if we only decide and discover what they are. So I would like to welcome you to this channel where I'll go live or where I'll publish a podcast every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And in between I'll publish as much content that could help you propel your life forward in any way possible. Now, if you're interested in propelling your life forward, then subscribe to this channel right now and turn on notifications so that you don't have to miss anything. Thank you very much for listening, and I wish you a wonderful day. Live with love and live with passion. Namaste.